This video provides an overview of companies, which are used to delegate user management to companies at your sites. For example, a general contractor that is a SafeSite check-in account owner may want their subcontractors to manage their own employees, users in the app, where each has their own personal QR code badge. A personal QR code badge is used to let workers quickly scan into a kiosk app that is at the job site. The SafeSite check-in administrator can limit companies' badge access to one or more job sites. Individual users can also be disabled, which turns off their badge access. The app also has a company check-in report. This is a scheduled report that is sent to all company admins, showing check-in activity for the badged users. Now let's take a look at how companies are set up in the admin app. Each company is defined with a name and a list of sites where their users' badges are valid. Note that if you're integrating into Procore, then the names must be an identical match to the company names in Procore. If they don't match, then check-in data will not be loaded correctly into the manpower log. Once you have a company defined, then you can add its users. A user is defined by their name, email, and mobile phone number. If user badges are managed, then you must also select their associated company. If you want to delegate the power of creating users down to a company, then you can assign a user with the company admin role. A company admin can sign into the admin app, but the only power they have is to see or add users to their company and manage their respective QR code badges. When you add a new company admin, they will receive a welcome to SafeSite check-in email. This contains instructions on verifying their email and setting their password. The email also contains instructions and a link to the admin app. When company admin signs into the admin app, they will only be able to see and manage their users. Now let's take a quick look at adding a user. A user has a name, email, and phone number. Note, if a user does not have an email, then you can enter a non-functioning email address. Once you save a user, you can add additional information, such as emergency contacts and certifications. Use the Add button to add certifications, where you can specify a certification type, description, issue and expiration dates, and upload supporting documentation. Note that all information becomes part of the data that's stored and is visible on each check-in record. Each user also has a unique QR code badge where a photo can be added. The badge can then be printed or downloaded to a PDF document. Now, the company admin app has a menu that lets the user close the app. Finally, let's take a look at scheduling the distribution of a check-in record report specifically to company admins. SafeSite check-in supports different types of schedules. This schedule will be set up for the company check-in report. The recipients of the report will automatically be sent an email to anybody that's set up as a company admin user. You also set up the days in which the scheduled report will be distributed, as well as the time of day. Report content is sent as email attachments in the selected file format. The report content can also be filtered to certain job sites. Scheduled content can also be run on demand by selecting the Run Now option from the menu. Finally, let's cover one housekeeping item. When using personal QR code badges, each user should be assigned to a company. If the name of the company was entered incorrectly or is changed, you simply need to go to the company's page and make the adjustment. The profiles of all users associated to the company will automatically be updated. This concludes our tutorial video. If you want more information on how badges are used to check in with a kiosk, check out the kiosk mode video. If you have any questions or issues, please contact our support team.